Today's lesson is going to be on order of operations. I'm going to do this in two parts to make it a little bit easier. So this is part one, and then please watch part two after this, and you should be a pro on order of operations. Now, you probably learned under order of operations this phrase that we call PEMDAS. It stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So everything has to go in these six steps in order. However, this is where everybody messes up just a little bit. It's not 6 steps. Do not think of this as 6 steps. This is where people make mistakes. Parentheses is step number 1. Exponents is step number 2. You're going to learn as we do more algebra that division is really just multiplication upside down or vice versa. Multiplication and division is the same thing. And so we put them together, and that's just step number 3. You probably already learned from when I did adding and subtracting integers in a video earlier that subtraction, we can turn into addition problems. So addition and subtraction, these are really the same step as well. So this is step number 4. So it's really parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, and addition, subtraction. And whenever you get to multiplication, division, you just go left to right, however they come. So you might do division before you do multiplication, just depending on how it comes. Same thing with addition and subtraction. You might do a subtraction problem before an addition problem. It just depends on how it comes left to right. We're going to do lots of examples, and hopefully that this will all make sense to you. Okay? So let's start by putting something on the board. In part 1, by the way, I'm going to split it up. We're only going to talk about multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Part 2, we'll add the parentheses and exponents, and hopefully you'll be a pro by the end. So let's do some, which is multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So let's go 5 plus 9 divided by 3. If you go left to right, you're going to get 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 divided by 3 is whatever 14 divided by 3 is, 14 over 3, and you can work out a fraction. That would be wrong though, okay? So what we do is I see addition and I see division. Well, I can see that multiplication division comes first, so I'm going to do this step first. Guys, you're going to do really well if you don't do anything in your head. Always write it out, even if it seems very tedious. Trust me, if you write it out, you're never going to get this wrong. Now, I'm not doing the 5 plus, so I'm just going to copy the 5 plus, and I'm going to do the math here. 9 divided by 3 is 3. I'm left now with 5 plus 3. Boom, my answer is 8. That is the correct answer, okay? Now, just to speed things along, through the magic of old guy who doesn't really know how to use this video editor, we are now going to change it, and I'm going to write a couple problems up on the board. And here are a couple problems that we're going to work out. Okay, let's take the first one. First thing I'm going to do is look for any multiplication or division. I don't care which one it is. And I can see right here, well, here's a minus. That's not what I'm looking for. Here's a multiplication, boom. Plus 12, no. Divide by 6, boom. Okay, I'm going to do the multiplication first because it just came first. However, if that was division, I would do the division first. Wow, ooh, my dog's walking around. Sorry if you're hearing some footsteps. All right, so let's go ahead and work this out a little bit. I'm not doing the 8, so I'm just going to copy the 8 minus. What is 3 times 2? It is 6. Plus, because I didn't do anything with the plus yet, what is 12 divided by 6? 2. And this is what I'm left with. So now, no more multiplication, division. All I have left is step 4, addition, subtraction. Again, whatever comes left or right. 8 minus 6, that's fine. Subtraction came first. I'm going to do that first. 2 plus 2, and my answer is 4. And that is the correct answer. Okay? Let's go ahead and do this one over here. Same step. Multiplication, division first. There's a minus. No. There's a division. Yes. There's a plus. No. There's a multiplication. Yes. And if you notice on this one, division came first. So don't worry about the M and the D. Just, it's all one step. Division came first. That's what I'm going to do first. So 30 minus, I'm not doing anything with him, so I just copy him. Please copy. Do not do it in your head. Doing work in your head is why you're going to get them wrong. Okay? 10 divided by 5 is 2. Plus, I'm going to copy it down. What is 6 times 2? That is 12. Now I'm left with just plus and minus, which is what we're going to do here. And again, I just go left to right. I'll start by going 30 minus 2, which is going to be a 28, and I'm going to go plus 12. 28 plus 12 is a cool 40, boom. Now, if you go to maxtutorials.com, I have a study sheet. If this video didn't quite do it, you want a study sheet, and I'm going to work out some problems, more problems than this, where you can kind of practice doing them, watch me work them out, and to try to get you even more pro on these. Okay, so that's it. There's PEMDAS part 1. Go try part 2, and you'll learn about the P and the E. Ta-ta for now.